Hi sir, good day po. Itatanong ko lang po sana, contractual employee po ako. At yung contract employer po namin is mati-terminate na po at i-absorb na naman kami ng ibang employer. Ang tanong ko po, may matatanggap ba kami na separation pay bago kami magsimula sa bagong employer? Good question po from ma'am sa ating Q&A with Proof AMN. It's about separation pay and then contractual employee daw po siya. Alright, sige po, sasagutin ko yung question niyo, ma'am, in a concise, direct to the point, and with example. Let's get started. Unang-una po, ma'am, thank you sa tanong nyo. Good question po. So, very clear po yung message ninyo. You are a contractual employee. And then ang tanong nyo kung may matatanggap ka na separation pay. Ito po yung sagot, ma'am. Based sa research ko, ang contractual employee po ay hindi entitled sa separation pay. Because po, there is no dismissal or termination to speak. Kasi hindi kayo na-terminate or natanggal. Na stop lang po yung trabaho ninyo kasi po nag-end po ang contract sa employer po ninyo, right? So kaya po tapos na yung trabaho nyo or contract sa employer na yan, and then meron kayong bagong employer na malipatan. Ang alam ko po, employee kayo, contractual employee kayo sa isang agency, right? So meron na naman silang bagong employer. So nakakuha sila ng contract na naman. So yung dati po na employer ninyo, tapos na po yung contract nila, so hindi siguro gi-renew. So naghanap yung agency niyo ng bagong contract and panibagong employer na naman, right? So as a result, ma'am, wala kayong separation pay. Unless po, or ang only exemption po na mabigyan ka ng separation pay is that kung tinanggal ka ng agency na hindi pa tapos yung contract mo. Normally, yung contract is 6 months or 1 year po yan, right? So, ibig sabihin na dismiss ka ng agency mo without just cause or authorized causes, bigla ka niya tinanggal na hindi pa tapos yung contract mo sa kanila, that's the time na bigyan ka ng separation pay, right? Pero kung nag-end yung contract, natapos talaga yung contract mo from day 1 up to end of contract, wala po kayong separation pay, ma'am. Alright? It normally happens po yan sa security services po or security agency. Paiba-iba yung employer, right, ma'am? Or janitorial services, messengerial services, and the like, right? So, hope na nasagot yung question niyo, ma'am. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.